Geti makes it easy for people without AI expertise to create powerful AI solutions. Let's install Geti. Search for the Geti user guide or click the link below. Using the Geti installer is my choice, and it's pretty straightforward. Make sure your system meets the minimal requirements. It will save you a lot of headache. I'll be using the Intel Battlemage GPU, but you can also use an NVIDIA GPU. Yes, Geti works only on Linux for now, no Windows version. Make sure you install the GPU drivers either from Intel or NVIDIA. If you install an NVIDIA GPU, make sure you have the drivers and the NVIDIA containers toolkit. It worked for me. Back to the installation. Download the package and untar it. Prepare the directories for the data. I'm just following the instructions as is. Go to the directory and run the installer. The installer will check your system and will ask you for your username, password. You can configure your mail, your firewall, and so on. It can take a while, and you can read the log file in real time if you'd like, or just go and grab a coffee. Once installation is done, the service is already up. You can just go to the URL, insist to go there, username, password, and Geti is up and running. There are multiple ways to install and use Geti. You can install using Helm charts. You can run it on WSL, so Linux inside Windows, or you could run it in the cloud, either on AWS or Microsoft Azure. I'll show you in the next videos. Thank you.